you ever struggle with the quick attach setup, this one's manual. I got the handles here. They're a pain in the butt. I've bent one before. Take and put your bucket like this so it's easily accessible, and hit this with a hammer. This is your, don't bend it or make it so the point's not there, but take it. Just be careful, so if you're standing there and something comes loose, you don't want that bucket to come down on you. But tap it, break it free like that, then reposition, and now your handle's freed up. And that's the easiest way I found to, sorry it's super windy, but that's the easiest way to get those quick attach. You can't pry on those handles, you'll bend them, but you can smack the end right there like I just did.